All right, Melissa, we're going to create a course in Moodle. We're going to start with this course in March, Ethics, a Meaning of Life. So first I want to see if it already exists. So it is L 1.9. So I'm going to go into level 1 course. I am going to scroll down over here on the right-hand side and see Christian Ethics, Meaning of Life. It doesn't look like it is active. So let's see. Ethics, Meaning of Life. Usually I don't enable dates, just so you know. Let's see, save and display. And let me just see if it is. Okay, so it exists there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to copy that course since it already exists, okay? So you can go from the site administration, go to courses again, manage courses, go to level 1, and then over here on the right-hand side, you see create new course. I'm actually going to make my screen smaller so it fits within this window here. Okay, create new course. So I'm going to create a new course. The course full name is going to be L 1.9. I'm actually going to just copy this. Okay, go back. Okay, and usually I put there winter 2020, just so I remember when it was done. L 1.9, and then I usually just do that. Okay. I don't enable the date, course ID, L 1.9. Okay. And then I do save and display. Now, oh, it's already used by another course. So I will do 9, 2020. Okay. All right, so here I am in the course, and as you can see, all the things are empty, okay? Now, you can copy content from another course over. You might already know this. It was new learning for me, so I'm just gonna show you how to do it, but you might know a faster, better way. But I go here under action and I say import. And I want to import that course. So I'm just going to do L 1.9. And that is the one I just created. So that is not, I'm wondering where the other, oh, I think it's just called Christian Ethics. I'll just type in ethics and let's see what pops up. There, Christian Ethics and a Meaning of Life. Okay, so click that, continue. I want to include everything that's in there, all the different things. Click next, and then I just click next at the perform import, and then it has imported everything for the course. Now I would want to go back and just make sure that everything is in here that should be in here. Make sure this isn't an old version, okay? So what I would do is I would now go into Ignite. Go to Syllabus Final Copyright. Go to L 1.9. And this is the course itself. So really just reading through the course, making sure the text, let's see, Robin Lovin and Tracy West. Let's see, textbooks, Lovin and West. Okay, that's good. Go through, make sure the reading assignments and discussions are correct. So this would be week 1. The reading assignment is correct, and make sure the discussion questions are correct. let's see, describe how loving. Okay. So far it looks like it's the right course, but definitely double check. I just did it quickly. So double check. The facilitator for this is going to be Kathy Harvey. So you can go into participants. Don't enroll anyone who's taking the class yet, because then if they log in, they see it and it can be confusing. So let's see, Kathy Harvey Nelson, and she is going to be the facilitator. And so we can enroll her. And then what I usually like to do is email the facilitator and just say, Kathy Harvey Nelson, course. Kathy, I just put the course into Moodle, L1.9, ethics, and a life of meaning. Let me just double check one thing. Make sure that that was the one. Ethics and a meaning. Yes, okay, that was the one she wanted. Okay, sorry. I just put the course into Moodle. You can log in and look at the content. Let me know if you have any questions or find any links or other things that need to be edited. That is something I often find, Melissa, is that links might not work anymore. So I do want the facilitators to get used to the course, but I always go back and double check. So you can double check that. Okay, so that's how you copy a course. So the other courses, small church administration, professional boundaries, and those two you can copy. The new one is contextual theology, I believe. Let's just see. Site administration, courses, it's a level 3 course, 3.7. There are lots of different professional boundaries courses, just so you know. What I would do is I would choose the most recent one, which is right here, February 2019, because that's the one, if there were edits to the course, it would be reflected there. Okay, so the new course that is not in here is contextual theology. If you go to Ignite, it's 3.7. Into courses, I believe I put it right here, contextual theology. Here is the syllabus right here. Here are different resources for the different weeks. So if you go into courses now, we're in level 3 courses. You do create a new course, then you can fill it in with the appropriate information, and then you can start editing the weeks. Okay, like I said, you might be pretty proficient in Moodle, I'm not sure, so I'm gonna stop here. But 3.7 is the course that needs to be uploaded. And oh, hold on, I gotta go. Sorry about that, Melissa. That was my the superintendent calling me, so I needed to answer the phone. Okay, so out of these 5 classes here, 4 out of the 5 exist. I already copied that first one, but small church and professional boundaries, and then what about the Bible, all exist. You just have to create a new course and then copy the import content. And then this is the only new course that needs to be uploaded. And it's really just copying and pasting from the stuff in Ignite. All right, I think that's it. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. I love doing this stuff. And so I am graciously giving it to you, but please call me or email me if you have questions. Bye.